Hello, friends! Welcome back to Science with Mr. T and my science assistant, Lewis, who gets to wear the lab jacket today. Lewis and I were just looking over the height and growth chart from today. So we've taken some data from the last 2 days, and then today we transferred the plants from their original location into new pots because they were struggling a little bit. Not a lot of growth. So we're hoping that this new transfer into the exact same dirt that they had before is going to help them. So we're going to look at some data and then we're going to go out and look at the plants. All right, let's get to it. So right here is where we saw each other last. On Tuesday, there was no change. On Wednesday, there wasn't a lot of change. This one had developed a little bit more leaves, and 6A had also developed more leaves and a little bit thicker stem, but everything else kind of stayed the same, and we discovered that we might need to transfer into new pots. So today, we actually transferred pots with the same material. Not a lot of difference here. This one's up at 3.5 centimeters, more development, stem and leaves. And 6A also has gotten a tiny bit bigger, and it definitely has a thicker stem and bigger leaves. So let's go take a look at what they look like today. All right, there's the science assistant wearing the lab jacket. Let's go take a look over here at the plants. Here we have 2A. It looks like it's really struggling. Next we have 3A. You can kind of see that it's a little bit bigger stem, and the leaves are getting more developed. 4A looks like it's lost some leaves, and it just doesn't look very strong. And then 6A here, definitely strong leaves and a pretty good stem. I'm not going to show you what is going on Friday. Based on everything you know so far, what's your prediction as to what's going to be taking place? They'll have spent 1 day in their new pots. I wonder if that will help them. Lewis, the science assistant, says that we will see all of you on Monday. We'll keep track of some data this weekend and share it with you guys on Monday. Lewis really hopes you've been keeping track of your journals. All right, have a great weekend.